Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Maua. Today we will learn our topic present perfect tense as a chapter 8 present tense. We already studied simple present tense and present continuous tense. Today we will learn a topic present perfect tense. Present perfect tense indicates an action that has been completed sometime before the present moment with a result that affects the present situation. Already finished this action before, but it affects on the present. This called present perfect tense. Present perfect tense indicates an action that has been completed, already finished, sometime before the present moment, with a result that affects the present situation. For example, he has finished the work. He has slept. Now also he was sleeping, but he has slept. The form of present perfect tense has have plus verb past participle form or third form of the verb. Do you know? Three form of the verb: infinitive verb, past form and past participle. To go, it's an infinite verb. Went is a past form of the verb, and gone is a past participle form of the verb. So when we use has and have, we use has with third person singular of the subject. He, she, it, we use has, and remaining all subjects I, we, you and they, we use have. I have a pen. I have written. Okay? Present perfect tense is used to talk about an action that happened in the recent past but is relevant in the present. It is formed by combining the helping verbs has or have with the past participle of the main verb. Here they given a chart. He, see, it and singular name Saloni. We use helping verb with has. He has, she has, it has, Saloni has. Past participle of the main verb: lost, eaten, been, done. I given no example of to go, gone. Okay? I have, you have, we have, they have, Riya and Raj have. Okay, बच्चे? Here they given sentence. Mira has lost a pen. She is looking for it. So, finished action in the recent past has lost, and present relevance means is looking. I have read chapter 9. I can answer questions based on it. I already read out. Now I can answer questions based on it. Okay. Now forming past participle. The past participles of verbs can be formed in many ways. First we add ed. Do you know as a past form? Call, called, walk, walked, looked, looked. It's also as a past participle. Add d to most verbs ending in e, double e or ie. Close, closed. Die, died. Agree, agreed. Change y to I and add ed. Marry, married. Carry, carried. Fry, fried. Try, tried. Okay, understand what we change to form past participle? Okay. Add ed to some verbs ending in vowel plus y. Bray, bride. Play, played. Many verbs do not follow any rule to form the past participle. So you have to learn these forms. Verb forms. Pay, paid. It's different. Hide, hidden. Meet, met. Blow, blown. Buy, bought. Think, thought. As per that second row. Say, said. Break, broken. Catch, caught. Fly, flown. Okay, बच्चे. All these past participle you have to learn yourself. Do, done, go, gone, fall, fallen, drink, drunk, get, got, lost, lost, sing, sung. Okay, बच्चे. I send PDF of these exercises. Finish on time. Everyday work, everyday PDF. You have to note down in your notebook without forget. Okay, बच्चे. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.